Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to send messages on LinkedIn in 2026. Whether you want to connect with recruiters, employers, colleagues, or other professionals, LinkedIn messaging makes it easy to communicate directly. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone or visit the LinkedIn website on your computer, then sign in to your account. After logging in, you can send a message in two different ways. The first method is to open the profile of the person you want to contact. If they allow messages, you'll see a *message** button on their profile. Click or tap it to open the chat window. The second method is to click the *messaging* icon at the top of LinkedIn. Here you'll see your existing conversations. To start a new chat, select the option to create a new message, then search for the person's name and choose their profile. Now type your message in the text box. Keep your message short, polite, and professional, especially if you're contacting a recruiter or someone you don't know personally. When you're ready, click the *send** button. If the person replies, you'll receive a notification, and you can continue the conversation from the messaging section. You can also send photos, documents, emojis, or GIFs when those options are available. If you can't message someone, it's usually because they're outside your network or their privacy settings restrict messages. In that case, you may need to send a connection request first and wait for them to accept. And that's how you can send messages on LinkedIn in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.